Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of aXis crawling. aXis crawling is simply crawling in a circle, spinning on your axis. So if you imagine that you had a pole going through your belly button and you were just spinning around that pole, that would be aXis crawling, and it looks kind of like this. And the reason that this is such a fantastic crawl is that, one, it really stimulates your vestibular system in a different way as you spin around in circles. But two, it works your abductors and your adductors of your hips and your shoulders in a way that they don't normally get worked. So we're working those smaller muscles that we don't use every day, our lateral moving muscles, and we're still connecting our opposite shoulder to our opposite hips. Another benefit of aXis crawling is it is a tremendous core or center strengthener. Like, you're just gonna feel all the love and action that's happening in your center, especially the more spread out you get. So you can make it harder by going longer, or easier by going shorter, and easier is relative because it's still a challenge. But anyway, that's the aXis crawl. For some people, it helps to put something underneath their belly button so they don't drift off their axis. Use it as a frame of reference, but all you do is you stay in one spot and you spin in circles. Ideally, you keep your eyes and head up on the horizon. You can even lead with your eyes and head if you want to help facilitate direction change. There's so many different ways or things you can do with your eyes and head, but you want your head up and you don't want to just drop it down. That's really the only rule, it's a loose rule, that comes with aXis crawling. Opposite limbs move together, you stay in one spot, you can crawl for time, you can crawl for steps. However you do it is fine, just explore it. Spend some time doing it and enjoy the wonders of aXis crawling and how wonderful your body feels when you do it. It's a great movement, good for your balance, good for your strength, your mobility, your ability. This is a movement that helps improve your ability to live your life better. All right, kids, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.